Kia ora. In this video lesson, we are going to be talking about multiplying and dividing fractions. For starters, when you are multiplying two fractions, you just have three steps. First, multiply the two top numbers, which are the numerators, and then you multiply the two bottom numbers, which are the denominators, and if possible, simplify the fraction. Whakamahia, hey ta tai tai. Use your calculator. So 1/3 times 1/2. You do 1 times 1, which is 1. 3 times 2, which is 6, and that is a simplified fraction on how to multiply fractions. Another example, 2/3 times 4/5. 4 times 2 is 8. 3 times 5 is 15. 8 over 15 is the simplified multiplication of those two fractions. Now, before we get into talking about how to divide two fractions, we need to talk about something known as a reciprocal of a fraction. And to get the reciprocal of a fraction, just turn it upside down. The reciprocal of 3 over 4 is 4 over 3. The reciprocal of 1 over 10 is 10 over 1, or just 10. And lastly, the reciprocal of 8, or any whole number, is 1 over that number. Okay? When you multiply a fraction and its reciprocal, you get 1. For example, the reciprocal of 2 over 5 is 5 over 2. Those multiply to 10 over 10, which is 1. So, let's look at some reciprocals. What's the reciprocal of 2 over 3? It's 3 over 2. The reciprocal of 4 over 1, of 1 over 4 is 4 over 1. And the reciprocal of 7 over 1 is 1 over 7. Now, the reason why we do this is because when it comes to dividing fractions, you need to know what a reciprocal is. And there is just one rule to divide fractions. To divide a number by a fraction, multiplied by the reciprocal. Here's the example. If we have 3 over 5 divided by 2 over 3, well, what we know is dividing by 2 over 3 is the exact same thing as multiplying by the reciprocal of 2 over 3, which is 3 over 2. So 3 over 5 divided by 2 over 3 is the same as 3 over 5 times 3 over 2. You only take the reciprocal of the second number. You only take the reciprocal of the second fraction, okay? And 3 times 3 gives 9. 5 times 2 is 10. And that's how you multiply and divide fractions. Any patai, please send them my way. Thanks for watching. Maori mahi, maori ora, ka kite ano.